In the book The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, an essential concept is introduced to help understand people's relationship with money and personal finances. Imagine a survey where people were asked if they would like to have $1 million in their bank account. Most people would probably say yes. However, Housel highlights how people perceive this amount of money. They say they want to be millionaires because they want to spend that money, imagining all the things they could buy with it, rather than genuinely wanting to manage and maintain that million. The desire to spend, in reality, is the opposite of accumulating and holding on to $1 million. This difference in perspective might seem confusing at first, but as we delve into this content, the core idea that the author tries to convey about financial education will become clearer. Let's take it step by step and analyze each part. To begin, welcome to this financial content. Before anything else, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel because today's topic can transform how you handle your money. If you're watching this video, it's likely because you're interested in managing your finances better. However, to achieve this, we need to walk a gradual path, step by step, through what I call the phases of personal finance. Phase 1, earning and using money wisely. Before learning how to use money effectively, you need to earn it, right? If you currently don't have an income source or are relying on just one, it's crucial to start expanding your sources of income. This is vital for financial stability because depending on a single income source is like having a table with only one leg. If that sole source fails, you lose balance. However, by having multiple income streams, you build a table with 4 legs. Even if one fails, the structure stays standing, though with less stability. So the lesson here is to diversify your income sources. The more streams you have, the better. But how do you do this at the beginning when you don't have any money to invest in major projects? The answer is simple. You need to trade time for money, which means working for someone else or being self-employed. This kind of income, where you directly trade time and effort for money, is called active income. However, the ultimate goal is to build something that generates passive income. Passive income is money that flows to you without requiring continuous effort. It can come from investments, automated businesses, or projects you created in the past that continue to generate money. Of course, achieving passive income requires initial work. For example, if you work Monday through Friday and receive a salary at the end of the month, you are earning active income. But if you also receive money from investments you made earlier, that would be a form of passive income, which doesn't depend on daily work to occur. This clarifies the concept of passive income. It's something you build from past efforts that keeps generating returns without needing to be present constantly. Understanding the difference between active and passive income is the first step. From the moment you start earning money, whether actively or passively, it's essential to know how to use it intelligently. And this leads us to the next level. Phase 2. Maximizing earning capacity and building an emergency fund. Understanding the concept of maximizing earning capacity can make a significant difference in your financial life. One of the key mindset shifts you need to adopt is to stop thinking only as a consumer and start thinking as a producer as well. What does this mean in practice? Often, when we receive money, the first thought that comes to mind is how to spend it on products or services. What we don't consider is the potential that money has to help us produce more and grow professionally. Investing in yourself, whether through courses, new knowledge, or skills that can increase your earning potential, is one of the smartest ways to use money. For example, if you receive $1,000, instead of thinking about how to spend it immediately, think about how you can invest that money in something that will give you a return in the future. It could be a course to improve your skills, a personal project, or a financial investment. This mindset shift from consumer to producer is crucial for financial growth. Additionally, it's important to start creating an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund is essential for ensuring financial peace of mind and avoiding difficulties during times of crisis. It's recommended that this fund be equivalent to 6 months of your monthly living expenses. If you spend $3,000 a month, ideally, you should have $18,000 invested in an emergency fund. This would provide you with security in case of unforeseen events, allowing you to use that money for real emergencies rather than resorting to loans. Phase 3. Investing for retirement and achieving financial independence. When you've overcome your debts, diversified your income streams, and built your emergency fund, you've reached a financial stage that few people achieve. At this point, it's time to start thinking about the long-term future and investing for your retirement. One of the primary metrics of personal wealth is the amount of time you can live solely on the money you currently have without needing to work. This is known as the measure of wealth. If you have an emergency fund that covers 6 months of your living expenses, then you can live for 6 months without income before needing to find a new source of money. Now, imagine someone who has $1 million invested, earning 1% per month, and has a living cost of $10,000 per month. That person would have achieved financial independence because the investment returns would cover their expenses without needing to continue working. However, for this to work, it's crucial to maintain a balanced lifestyle. Spending beyond the returns on the investments can compromise that independence and eventually lead to a loss of the accumulated wealth. The key is not just to accumulate money, but to make it work for you by reinvesting the returns and taking advantage of the power of compound interest. Over time, this strategy will create a financial snowball where the gains increase progressively without needing much additional effort. Conclusion: the importance of consistency and long-term planning. Achieving financial stability and, eventually, financial independence doesn't happen overnight. It requires discipline, consistency, and a clear, long-term vision. This means making conscious and balanced decisions when using money, always prioritizing what will bring future benefits instead of seeking immediate gratification. It's important to remember that money should be seen as a tool that can help you achieve your goals, not just as a means to consume products and services. Investing in your personal and professional development, as well as planning and executing a solid financial strategy, are the pillars of building a financially stable life and eventually achieving financial independence. Finally, it's crucial to monitor your progress over time. Every 90 days, review your net worth, add up your assets, and subtract your debts, and observe how your wealth evolves. This continuous tracking is essential to ensure that you're on the right path and to motivate you to keep striving for financial growth.
Welcome to Smart Money, where we explore the secrets of the millionaire mindset. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to support our content and stay updated on all the latest insights. If you're looking to transform your mindset, achieve financial freedom, and live the life of your dreams, you're in the right place. Here, we share practical tips, proven strategies, and valuable insights to help you develop the mindset and habits of the great millionaires. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Join us on this journey towards financial success.